Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. 16-ounce oil dispenser bottle for kitchen, 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser and oil sprayer, 470 milliliters olive oil bottle oil sprayer for cooking, kitchen, salad, barbecue white. Lifetime assurance, we stand by the quality and performance of our product. If you're ever unsatisfied or encounter any issues, please contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support and are committed to providing excellent customer service. Dual dispensing convenience. This oil bottles for kitchen offers both pouring and spraying capabilities, allowing you to switch between the two with ease. It's a space-efficient solution that keeps your kitchen clean and organized. Exceptional spray nozzle design. Our olive oil bottle boasts a unique spray nozzle that delivers a wide-angle, fine mist when pressed quickly and a steady stream of oil when pressed slowly. This precision design ensures even coverage and control over your oil usage. Precise oil control. Each spray dispenses approximately 0.15 g of oil, making it effortless to control and measure your daily oil intake. With a daily recommended oil consumption of up to 30 g, you can effortlessly manage your dietary preferences. Lifetime assurance. We stand by the quality and performance of our product. If you're ever unsatisfied or encounter any issues, please contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support and are committed to providing excellent customer service. Dual dispensing convenience. This oil bottles for Thanks for watching and subscribe.